Hey there, creators! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to bring your ideas to life with dynamic whiteboard animations, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into how to create professional-looking whiteboard animations using Canva. No prior design experience needed. Every great animation starts with a compelling story. Begin by outlining your message. What do you want your audience to learn or feel? Once you have your narrative, it's time to visualize it. Now, let's bring your story to life. Open Canva and create a new custom design of 1920 Tendue Laro. Use the Elements tab to search for sketch-style images that match your scenes. For instance, search for sketching to find illustrations that fit your narrative. Drag and drop these elements onto your canvas, arranging them to tell your story visually. Arrange elements at their proper place according to story. After setting all the elements, add text related to your sketch. Set the text font and color. To add that authentic whiteboard animation effect, we'll use Canva's SpeedPainter app. Just go to Apps section in Canva and select SpeedPaint. Before opening it, just download your sketch as PNG by clicking on Share button, then Download button. Now open SpeedPaint. Click on Open button. Choose the file which you have downloaded recently. First, log in to use SpeedPainter by using your Google account. Click on Continue button. After connecting SpeedPaint to your account, click on You can add more settings like sketch duration and color fill, and apply the sketching hand effect for a realistic touch. And click on Animate Image button and just wait for a few seconds. Your image is turned into speed painting. Drag it to the new page. Set the video as background. Enhance your animation with background music or a voiceover. Canva offers a library of free music tracks. Simply go to the Audio tab, choose a track, and adjust its timing to fit your animation. Once you're satisfied with your animation, it's time to share it with the world. Download your video in MP4 format for easy sharing on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook by clicking on the Share button and then Download button. And there you have it, a stunning whiteboard animation created entirely in Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different elements and animations.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.